per phase. So this is a creativity. There is an opportunity. Even like Madam has told in my introductory part that I was part of Raitana Mitra. Raitana Mitra and the people who are based in Bidar might have heard. So we started that Raitana Mitra. We used to, Madam remember it, and my sister Upasana, she used to even you. Yes, great. So even my sister booked a lot. Upasana booked a lot in that time. So at that time, Raitana Mitra was an opportunity. World is full of opportunity. ನೀವು ಬರೀ ಒಂದು ಕಣ್ಣು ತೆರೆದು ಕಿವಿ ತೆರೆದು ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು it is filled with opportunities. There are plenty of opportunities available. I was standing, I will give one example. People from the rural, bus in one example ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, same example. I was standing in a bus stand. I waited for half an hour for the bus to arrive, and it took half an hour time to arrive. Then I realized, why don't someone approaches the ministry, road transport ministry, and give him an app so that the people should, the commuters should get to know where the bus is. So this is also an opportunity. Once, like few of you can write a code, one code balbittu, you gift it to him, and you can earn money from the advertisement which will be posted in that particular portal. So this is an opportunity. There are plenty of opportunities available. Human ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಏನು ಇನ್ವೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಏನಾದರೂ ಫೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ there are plenty of opportunities available. Remember the name Richard Branson is a great son. Sure. How many are there from MBA? The only 3, 4. Yeah. See, what we did is, I am a farmer by profession. So what difficulty we have faced is, I was into cultivation of watermelons at that point in time, and we had vegetables also. We have seen farmers coming from rural and trying to sell their produce in the market, but there were hindrances. They couldn't reach out to the ultimate consumers directly at that point in time. There is a platform called Shopify. You can go back and check into that. Shopify and on platform with it, you can start your own website easily. It is very easy thing. So we started a website. We contacted the farmers. We took produce from them. We helped them in that point in time, and we helped the consumers as well. Consumers को तरकारी सिकता रहला. There were no rations at all. People में like tomorrow they are going to die. That kind of a thing was there. Rations they booked it. Kirana merchant was like there was a meme pamphlet. Have you seen? ಒಬ್ಬನು ದಪ್ಪ ಇರೋನು ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಲಗಿರ್ತಾನೆ, ದುಡ್ಡಿನ ಮನ್ಸದ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಲಗಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, that kind of a thing was that. I could recall that. So ಹಾಗೆ that opportunity we used. We facilitated between the ultimate producer and the consumer at that point in time using that opportunity, and it lasted for a long time. Then after that people came out of their houses and we have to wind up that venture. Clear? So regarding this behavior, entrepreneurial behavior can be defined as a set of behaviors that an individual exhibits which allows them to innovate, improve the same thing. The behavioral changes have to be considered here. So key elements of what are the elements of entrepreneurial behavior? For example, I have listed some 4 to 5 behaviors. After this, there is not much. There are no much slides. It take 10 to 15 minutes time. That's it. Mitigating risk. Jewelry shop owners covering their area with CCTV. For mitigating risk, I have told. Like these days, you might have seen every other jewelry shop there is a CCTV camera. Because even if milligram of his gold goes up, then it is a huge risk for him. So the entrepreneur should know how to take care of the losses. So risk, our risk, ಯಾವ ತರ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಆ ತರ ಒಂದು ವಿಚಾರ ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. The ability to bootstrap. Here what I have given is a real estate example. What real estate people they listening? Yes. So I have given an example of real estate. What they do is, before they come out in full fledged, when the layout of full fledged ಬರೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ what they do is they'll start booking the plots so that they'll get half of their investment there itself, capital. So you should know how the ability to bootstrap before you're starting a venture. There are teaser campaigns of real estate. This is how your building will be, and this is how your home will be and this is how your kids will be, or aata adadara, swimming pool, all the amenities, everything will be there. So the ella torisbittu they will get their capital, half of their investment, and they can run it easily their business. Understanding affordable loss, for that I have given example of F1 race invested by Vijay Mallya and Sahara Group. Have you ever heard of Vijay Mallya? Guys might be knowing, girls might know, everyone knows, right? Vijay Mallya. The guy invested in a different venture which was nowhere required for him. Adi beke agirlanta venture. UB Group is known for braveries. UB Group was known for several other things, but out of the blue, he went for F1 investment. Formula 1 race only he started investing, wherein he lost money there. And he lost in aviation, because of which he has to wind up his entire business. He went bankrupt basically. Same with the Sahara owner as well. He too invested in the F1, which was nowhere needed, because the kind of mindset we Indians have, we only look into cricket most of the time. No one looks out for Formula 1. वो क्या है बोलते हैं, सही? So that is the process I am going to bear. So we should understand, as an entrepreneur, we should understand the affordable losses. Pivoting where necessary. Here for pivoting where necessary, I have given an example of positioning of Coke for Chinese market. See, when I was a student of MBA, so we had a case study of Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಚೈನಾಲಿ for every tea they used to charge 5 rupees. One tea they used to charge 5 rupees. So before that, Coke was positioned themselves as a drinking what is that? But beverage basically. On cold beverage they have positioned themselves. But here in China market, to tap that market, to overcome the mindset of the people that cold beverage is equivalent to tea, they took the MRP to that level. Even in India also, if you Google now, if you sit back and Google advertisement of, because they positioned themselves in such a way that they could come in accordance. So these are the behaviors which are required. So here the last case study which I feel is very important about this KFC. Go notice the Colonel Sanders. This is a guy who came up with KFC. At the age of 65, he got through. So basically the last case study why I am giving you is never ever give up in your career. Yes, sure. Never ever give up. His recipe of that KFC, how many of you have been in KFC? Yadar hogidare KFC ge? Raise your hand. The delicious chicken, yeah. So the recipe what he has come up with got rejected 1009 times precisely. After that he got through, and while he was dying, there are more than 40,000 franchises all across the world. That is the kind of contribution he has done through this success. And this is a process, last process. This is the last slide. So this is the process. This is the last slide. Be attentive to this. This is very important. Be it technical or non-technical. Self-discovery. Look into yourself. What kind of skill set you are having. For example, I might be good in certain things, you might be good in certain things else. So you should sit back at home and discover yourself what kind of skill set you are having, and depending on that you identify opportunities. So what we did is will change. Having said that, I expect all the people who are there beneath this in the class, I think that all one or the other day, at least 20% of you will become an successful entrepreneur and will contribute heavily to this glorious country. So I conclude my session here. I am thankful to all the people who brought me here. Thank you.